Hello, dear children. I hope you studied well in our last class and enjoyed the half of the story. It's about Robin Hood. In this story, Robin Hood went to Nottingham to his uncle's house, and there he had visited a fair with his cousins. He had seen so many things over there, like tightrope walker, magician, men on stilt, and food stalls, and so many things there. And when they felt hungry and started eating some food, few boys from Nottingham, they started commenting on them, but Robin didn't pay any attention. But when they started commenting or pointing on his girl cousins, he got angry because he had been taught to respect all ladies, and that is why the argument began between the boys from Nottingham and Robin Hood, and suddenly that argument took place a physical fight. And I told you in last class how did they fight, right? They fought very badly. They thrown everything over there, all the fair things idhar udhar ho gaya, that means. And that time one man came. Okay, the man came with came on a horse. So three men come on by horse, right? And yeah, wait, I'll show you, right? And everyone hide themselves, and the boy Robin, he was confused why they were running, right? And one more thing I forgot to tell you, that his cousins were bleeding because that boys, the stupid or idiot boy, you can say, okay, bad boys, they fought with sticks and they beaten his cousins very badly. Okay, now let's begin our story, next part of the story. Sorry, let us read first. I'm the sheriff, the man said. Introduced in this picture, you can say this man, the red gown wala man. Okay, okay, this brown horse or red gown wala man said, I'm the sheriff. So who is sheriff? Sheriff means an officer, okay, whose job is to make people obey the law and prevent crime. So he that means sheriff used to take care of the country, you can say, or that city, you can say. The people should are they following the rules or not, what is going on in that city, everything he will look after. Okay, so one of them said, so one of the three men came and one of them said, मतलब उनमें से एक ने कहा कि वो शेरिफ है. You are not from Nottingham, are you? And he asked to Robin that whether he is not from Nottingham, कि तुम Nottingham से तो नहीं लगते, because see, if you go different place, your attire, your look, your behavior, it will obviously give you some strange identity, you can say, right? So village folk cannot beat up the innocent townspeople here. And he said that there is a rule that village people never ever beat any innocent town people. जो निर्दोष होते हैं उनको कभी भी टाउन के पीपल जो है, कॉमन पीपल है, वो नहीं मारते. सो दैट इज द लॉ ऑफ देयर सिटी. इनोसेंट मीन्स जो कुछ गलती ना किया हो, बेचारे हो, राइट? नाउ मूव नेक्स्ट. Arrest him, he ordered his men, and suddenly he ordered to his men to arrest whom? To Robin. Poor Robin did not have a chance to say anything, but bechara Robin he didn't get any chance to explain anything, because the sheriff said that to arrest, that means his men has to arrest Robin, and they didn't give any chance to speak or explain anything. So he was imprisoned. Imprisoned means जेल में डाला गया. So he was imprisoned in a dark and dirty room full of rats. So उसको ऐसे जगह पे रखा गया, that room was dark or dirty also, and that room, it was full of rats. चूहे से भरा हुआ था. He looked around and saw a hole in the ceiling. So he looked all around the room. It was so dark, but he found a hole in that room. Ceiling means छत के पास पास. Ceiling means छत. Okay, ceiling fan लगाते हो ना, छत है ना, ऊपर वाली fan. Okay, in that place he found a small hole. Who found? Robin Hood found. So how was the room? The room was dark, dirty, and full of rats. So who said him to arrest? The sheriff said his men to arrest whom? Yes, to Robin. Did they listen to Robin? No, they did not listen anything from Robin. What is the law of the town? The law of the town is that the town people never beat any innocent people. Okay. Shall I begin more? Yes. It should not be too difficult to climb out. And he thought that, who thought? Robin thought that, so it is not so difficult to jump and climb and go outside from the dirty room, thought Robin. At night, so he waited till night. रात होने तक उसने wait किया. And he climbed up onto the roof, jumped down to the ground, and ran to his uncle's house. So at night, when everybody is sleeping, he climbed up, ऊपर चढ़ गया रूफ में, जहाँ पे उसको एक होल दिखाई दे रही थी वहाँ तक, उसमें घुसा और बाहर की तरफ ग्राउंड में जंप किया और स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड ही ran to his uncle's house. Where does his uncle live? In the city of Nottingham. Okay? Understood this much? Great. I want him dead or alive, yelled the sheriff when he heard about Robin's escape. But when the sheriff heard that Robin escaped from the jail or from the prison, he got angry and ordered his men, whether he dead or alive, जिंदा या मुर्दा, मुझे वो चाहिए. Who said this? The sheriff. He declared Robin to be a criminal. Okay, without knowing anything, without investigating anything, he declared Robin as a criminal. उसको criminal बोलकर declare कर दिया. चलो, he is criminal, and if anybody find, call or inform to the man. Robin did not want to cause trouble for his uncle, but Robin is a very smart boy, you can say, or wise boy, you can say. So he is very caring actually. So he did not want that his uncle should be in any trouble. तो वो नहीं चाहता था कि उसके अंकल कोई भी ऐसे ट्रबल में फंस जाए. And he knew he would have to hide, and he knew that he had to hide. If he would have not hide himself, then the sheriff would catch him and put him in the jail again without any reason, right? And he would be there for whole life. So better he should hide himself somewhere. So he left Nottingham. Who left Nottingham? Robin left Nottingham. Nottingham से चला गया. And moved quietly and quickly through the countryside. Then slowly he was moving very quietly and quickly to the countryside. Countryside में country से बाहर की साइड, जहाँ पे कंट्री ख़त्म हो जाती है या सिटी ख़त्म हो जाती है, तो थोड़ा पेड़ पौधे जंगल outside of city you can say. Okay, finally he decided to stay in Sherwood Forest, and finally he reached to Sherwood Forest. What is the name of the forest? Sherwood Forest. Okay, so he decided to stay in the forest. Which forest? Sherwood Forest. At last I am going to live like I have always wanted to. And he said himself that finally now he is going to live a life what or how he always wanted to. अभी वो इस तरह से रहेगा जो हमेशा वो चाहता था कि अकेले सुनसान और मस्त पूरा जंगल में रहना. राइट, आउट इन ओपन एंड अंडर द स्टार्स. तो वो कैसे जगह में रहना चाहता था? ओपन एरिया अंडर द स्टार. I will hunt deer and a rabbit. And he decided that he will hunt. शिकार करेगा. Whom? Deer and rabbit. After hunting, he will eat deer and rabbit. Nobody will be able to find me. And he said himself that nobody will be able to find him in that Sherwood Forest. Once the sheriff forgets about me, I will back home. And he decided that once the sheriff would forget him or about his matter, he will back to his home. So, do you think he would back home again? And do you think the sheriff would forget him? तुम्हें लगता है कि शरीफ भूल जाएगा ये मैटर को, या वो अपना घर रिटर्न हो पाएगा? ओके, we don't know. Let's see what will happen in this story in our next class. Till the time you read and try to understand. Okay?